Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to show you about the Tokyo Olympic Sports 2021 Cycling Road Overview. Ever since the bicycle was invented, it has been used for sport. Cycling became an Olympic sport at the first modern games at Athens 1896 and is one of the few sports that have featured at every Olympic Games. Cycling road has been included at nearly all Olympic Games since 1896 apart from a 12-year period when it was excluded before returning for Stockholm 1912. However, women's road events were only introduced at the Los Angeles 1984 Games, although Olympic cycling was originally restricted to amateur. Professional cyclists have been able to participate since Atlanta 1996, a decision that increased its popularity. Event program: road race, individual time trial. Essence of the sport: a magnificent race like completing a stage of the Tour de France in intense heat. Olympic cycling road races have generally been held on a circuit, but for the first time different start and finish points will be used at the Tokyo 2021 Games. From the mass start, riders will cover a 244-kilometer course for men and 147-kilometer course for women that will move through Tokyo and 3 prefectures as cyclists fight for gold. The race will start in Tokyo's Musai no Nomori Park and riders will pass through Kanagawa and Yamanashi prefectures as they race to the finish line at the Fuji International Speedway in the Shizuoka prefecture. The course is not only long but has steep ascents and descents, make it more difficult than previous Olympic courses. There will be a total elevation of 2,692 meter in the women's race and 4,865 meter in the men's race, which is similar to completing the Queen's stage of the Tour de France. The men's race is expected to take about 6 hours, so riders will not only need to strategize how to handle the course but also the Japanese summer. Magnificent views of empty Fuji can be seen from many places on the course, but unfortunately, riders will have little time to enjoy it. The individual time trial will see riders start at set intervals with men completing 2 laps of the 22.1 kilometer course and women completing 1. National Olympic committees can obtain a maximum quota of 2 places for the time trial and riders must qualify through the UCI World Ranking. Outlook for the Tokyo 2021 Games. In the road race, riders from the same country compete as a team but aim for individual medals. There will be 130 men's and 67 women participating in road races, with Belgium, Italy, Colombia, Spain, France, and the Netherlands securing the largest men's slots. Australia, Germany, the Netherlands, and the USA and Italy secured the largest quota for the women's race. The average speed in men's races exceeds 40 km per hour, but air resistance is a common enemy faced by riders, affecting the speed, endurance, and the team strategy. Team will work together to beat their rivals while protecting their teammates to make it easier for a rider from their team to win. The favorites to land on the podium are usually riders who are considered all-rounders, but with the steep slopes, long climbs and high altitudes of the Tokyo 2021 course. A total of 40 men and 25 women will compete in the individual time trial. Unlike a road race where everyone starts at the same time, the event sees one rider race against the clock to test their individual power. So friends, I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please hit like the button and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching this video.